is Goat Island. Goat Island, c'est l'une de la chute américaine, la chute canadienne. To the right is a large building. This is one of Canada's hydroelectric power plants. The amount of power that Niagara Falls could generate is equal to 12 million horses. Only about half of this is being used for electric power generation. It was here that mankind first transported electricity for a long distance. This historic event occurred in 1896, when electric power from the falls was sent a distance of 20 miles, or 32 kilometers, to Buffalo.
À votre droite est un grand bâtiment. C'était un des centrales hydroélectriques du Canada. Le montant de puissance que le chute Niagara pourrait produire est égal à 12 millions de puissance en chevaux. Seulement la moitié de ça est utilisée pour la production de la puissance électrique. C'était ici que l'humanité a premièrement transporté l'électricité pour une longue distance. Cet événement historique a eu lieu en 1896 quand la puissance électrique des chutes a été envoyée à une distance de 20 000, environ 32 km, à Buffalo.
We are approaching the Canadian or Horseshoe Falls. This falls is approximately 170 feet or 52 meters high. Its brink is 2,500 feet or 760 meters long. Here, daredevils have made their bids for fame. The first, in 1901, was a schoolteacher named Annie Taylor. Originally recorded as 43, Annie Taylor was in reality 63 years old when she went over the falls in a wooden barrel and lived. In 1960, an almost unbelievable event occurred. A 7-year-old boy named Roger Woodward was swept over the falls wearing only a bathing suit and a simple life jacket. It was a miracle that he survived. Roger was rescued almost on this very same spot by a maid-of-the-mist boat.